Okay guys, so we just got home and I can't breathe. We just ate dinner. He picked up something from outside. So it's 9 o'clock right now. We're on good terms. And I feel like if I was to tell him this right now, if I was trying to prank him right now, he would know it's a lie. So I'm gonna wait until like 10 o'clock and then I'm going to prank him. I'm gonna basically be telling him that I think it's best that I move out. So we're gonna see how this goes.
He has the ability to overpower me fairly easily.
He believes or fantasizes he's in a relationship with his woman, no matter how fleeting his time.
Babe! Gary! Gary! Come here!
Oh, come on.
Can you stay on for a second?
Mm-hmm. You okay?
Should we just sit down for a second?
Yeah. Take your Chanel's. Oh, Miso is here. I didn't even know. I'm sorry, Miso. I need to walk on.
Why are you being, like, I'm trying to be serious. You're being funny.
Oh, I'm sorry. Here.
Where do you think our relationship is going?
Where do I think it's going? I think it's building. You don't think so? At all?
No, I just feel like it's like just staying in one place. And like sometimes I feel like we move too fast. We're like being like in the same house together and stuff like that.
I think we did it too quick.
I just feel like I rushed things kind of. I feel like I should have got my own apartment and stuff like that instead of like just moving in with you. I should have just got my own apartment.
I don't know. I think it was a lot.
I just feel like
It was a lot probably a lot for both of us to get adjusted to. Not being around each other a lot, but I think you felt like you missed something.
I felt like I missed the step kind of.
Yeah.
And I just think like maybe like I've been sitting here thinking like oh Tianna, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna ask you to come serious and I finally am like strong enough to say to you. I just kind of felt like
You don't like continue it?
no, like I just want like my own place. I want to be able to do what I want to do. Yeah, like I saw. Remember that guy I was telling you about on Instagram, and I was like, oh, he's a YouTuber. I want a guy like him.
Not me.
Not like if we stay together, maybe we should just keep it off of YouTube, and then like I can date another guy on YouTube, and then like.
You want to kind of get big.
Yeah, and I feel like you're like holding me back.
I'm sorry. Because I'm not really a YouTube person.
No, I just feel like you're just.
Blah.
Yeah, and he's more of like, like he's like strong and yeah, and that's
I didn't know that.
like,
I thought they were liking it.
I just try to hide it from you that like people say rude things about you. Like,
Is there more rude things?
They constantly am calling you like Mr. Clean. Like ever since we joked about it, and now they're like, yeah, he does. It's like a crackhead, Mr. Clean. And I'm joking, like I'm laughing, but it's like they say this all the time, and I don't say anything to you because I don't want to hurt you.
So they don't like me.
No, but yeah, and I don't want to say anything to you.
They don't like me.
No.
You told me they didn't like me though.
Yeah, because I wanted you to do it.
But you told me everybody wants to see me. They don't want to see me.
No, not the new people. I feel like you're like blocking my shine.
I'm sorry.
And that's what I'm thinking, like maybe if I get my own apartment, like I can do like videos of like me getting my own apartment and stuff like that. And like
They don't think I'm funny?
no, guy, it's just like I feel like they see me with somebody like the YouTuber guy that I was telling you about. And I see myself with like a guy like him too. Like honestly, it's like you and him. Like he's up here and like you're
you know
like,
him?
down there. Like no, but I can get to know him. I mean, it's not that hard. I mean, let's just go back to LA.
I'm sorry. I thought they liked me. No?
No.
What, people don't care for me too much?
No, I just feel like they don't. they don't like you as a person. Like they say it all the time. Like they're like he's rude.
Really?
Yeah.
Why are you telling me this now then?
Because I just felt bad. Like, and I feel as though like.
They think I'm rude?
Mhm.
What do you mean I'm rude?
Like they're like he's so rude.
What do you mean? The things I say?
Yeah.
To you?
Yeah. They're like he doesn't really like you. He's just using you. Like they say all this stuff, and I'm just like, they are true, and I'm just like, maybe I'm telling you, like if I date this other guy, he's blown so many girls up, so I know for a fact he can blow me up, then I could drop his ass and then come back to you.
I thought that, but I was in the impression you wanted me on there.
No, I just wanted you on there because I thought it was gonna blow my channel because it was like something that he didn't see. Normally,
Well, I thought you said there was a lot of positive comments about me though.
I lied.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Why didn't you tell me that? If I was hurting your channel, why would you want me on there?
Because people were making jokes about you. That was the whole point. It was actually blowing my channel because people were joking about it.
So everybody's making fun of me then?
Yeah. You mad at me?
No, I'm not mad. I just feel like an ass. I feel like
You want me to get my stuff? Like I can really.
no, not at all. But I feel like I just feel I'm being made fun of.
But you have to understand, like it's YouTube, and it's like it's going to be my career one day, and I don't want to be with somebody like you that's going to like dull my shine. Like I'm 24 years old. I have so much to live for, and
I'm saying you don't have to put me on there anymore.
okay, but they're going to know that we're still together if I'm still living here.
Yeah, I get it, but I didn't know I was really. I didn't understand.
I just feel like you're like dulling me. Like you're not what I need in my life, and I don't want to do it. I feel like after we get back from our trip, I just want to be done. Like we can still be friends, but I just don't feel like it's going anywhere.
It's up to you. It's up to you.
I don't know. What you gonna do? Like I'm asking you a question. I give you the idea.
Jeez, I didn't know. I thought they were kind of you're pranking me. Forget this. I'm sorry. Okay. Damn it. All right. I see it over there.
I tried to hide it.
Okay.
Baby, I love you. Why would I say that?
I know.
I love you a lot. I
They
would
do
never...
make fun of me or no?
No.
They like me on there?
They like you more than me. No, because Gary, they actually like you a lot. Like, they say it all the time. Like, my camera. Did you see it? Did you see it the whole time?
No, I couldn't see it. I don't have my list set.
Okay. How do you feel about my prank? You don't like it?
Yeah, it was a good prank. See, I'm just naive.
Did you really think I would leave you?
Yeah.
Why?
Well, because, you get a bigger YouTuber. And plus, I don't want to hold anybody back. And if people don't want me, I'll just leave.
Gary, they love you.
No, they don't.
Well, I love you. Isn't that all that matters?
Yeah, that's fine.
I'm sorry, honey. But I had to prank you. I didn't have anything to put up tomorrow, so I needed something to put up.
Okay.
You mad at me?
No, I just thought they...
You really thought I was serious?
Yeah.
Why would I be serious? Why would I be with you for this? Like, that makes no sense.
No, I know that. But I just thought maybe they didn't like me.
Gary, do you want me to show you the comments on the channel?
No, it's okay.
It's 90% of where's Gary at.
Oh, okay.
And matter of fact, 99.9% of all good comments about you, babe. They love you. I would never put you in a situation where as though somebody is talking bad about you. And if somebody talk bad about you, I would clap back at the ass.
Yeah.
I would never, ew, babe. I would never let somebody talk bad about you.
Okay.
Did I get you?
You got me.
I got him.